If they stay there.
So we're in the truck headed to pick up a customer who got stuck down past Wallsburg. I believe it's on the 168. Looks like a 4Runner. It was super slick yesterday. Lots and lots and lots of heavy rain. And he probably was out in that huge rainstorm and got kind of sideways on the road a little bit and went into a ditch. We won't know till we get there. I haven't actually asked the customer, but judging off the pictures and when he got stuck, that's my guess. It shouldn't be too big of a deal. We've got me in Black Betty. We've got Ben and Dad in Mom's Montero. They're two of the kind of smaller rigs that are easy to get on the trail. Headed down right now, and should be a fun little morning ride. It's a beautiful place up there. Ben and Dad are back there following behind. We're gonna pick up the customer and head up there, so enjoy. So we picked up the customers and we're here at the...
What's up?
Hi. So we got the customers with us. We're taking a look right now and Ben's got a GoPro, so I'll shut this one off. My daughter got a little car sick. Well, Ben, what do you think?
Wish there was some bigger trees right here. I mean, there's one way up there, but looking from the other side, there's a couple of logs right on the edge, like the tires are against it. If they stay there, it might work as a guide. If you come up and winch to this corner from up there, that log could hold it and it'll work as a guide and just go right back up that way.
So that tree's dead, but the one behind it is plenty big enough and live. We could, actually, you know what? I wish we could get on the other side, and we probably could, but I don't know that I want to take the chance.
Yeah, it looks like it's still a little slick, and it might rub the tire.
So what do you think about... Roots are not going to be very deep, so he's worried about pulling the roots straight out and the tree coming down. Which, if we went to winch off that would absolutely happen.
There's a bigger one straight up, almost in line with it, we could winch off of. It's a little farther up, but...
We could probably get that far.
Yeah.
But that one's strong enough. If we did that, we could bridle down here and just use my winch and just pull the whole thing up. That would be pretty easy.
Yeah.
We could deadhead if we needed to on Dad's, from Dad's. Or use those.
Because it's still, it should run fine. It's not too steep of an angle, so we can help it out with the four-wheel drive a little bit.
Yeah. Or we could just hook to the back, winch straight up and turn the wheels and just drive it, because I think that would probably work too, but you just have a lot more safety.
Yeah.
Doing a long
Luckily, there's no ledge here. Usually when we're doing this, typically it's hanging off a ledge and there's a long drop that we have to worry about. This doesn't. It's got some logs here and it's marshy, but it's flat right at the bottom here, so we don't have to worry about it rolling down a hill or anything like that.
You know, we could be more showy about it, but I think if we just hook a winch right to the back, put my Land Cruiser all the way on that embankment, have you turn passenger, just drive up, I think it'll drive. Like you said, it'll walk across these logs, and with me helping the back, I think it'll walk right up. Should we just do that?
I think we'll try it.
If it doesn't work, then we can go off the tree.
Then yeah, we'll snatch block up there.
So we got our plan. We're gonna try the easy way, and if it doesn't work, then we'll string some winch line and snatch block it off a tree. So I'm just gonna slap you right up here on the hood of my Land Cruiser.
Check it out. Made in Burley, Idaho. Here just in time for the rain.
We have great timing with the rig.
Just like what?
spin the tires. That just makes it slide. If we can help it. Yeah. Is this okay, you ready?
It's in 4 low right now. It should be engaged.
Okay. You ready?
Wow.
Easy day.
That was easy.
Day.
Well, that worked a little too easy. Should we see if we can get it stuck again?
I think so.
Turn it around. make a better video.
Yeah, might as well work at something.
Oh my gosh. That feels so much better. Like a weight lifted off my shoulders, man. Like that is awesome. That is amazing. That was like barely 5 minutes of work.
That's our biggest problem YouTubing is we make it look too easy.
We were out here for literally 4 hours yesterday trying to get it out in the rain. And it took you guys 5 minutes of that. That's awesome.
Well, there's another hole right up here. It looks pretty fun. You want to try it?
Yeah. Gonna stick over there and see if we can get it back out.
Finish the lube.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
I'll probably have to go move the Montero so they can back the 2 rigs out. Till we get a turnaround spot.
Yeah, we destroyed the lug and all, dude. The tire just kept sliding.
Yeah, I kept sliding down. Yeah, man, wind speed all of it.
Turn around. I'll go turn around. I'll back
Just
up.
because
Sometimes you just gotta not overthink things.
yeah.
Sometimes it's just the easiest way is the best way. Unfortunately for you guys, a lot of times that means you guys don't get as cool of content, but from a customer standpoint, I think most of the time they'd rather have easy and quick. So that's what we shoot for.
Yep.
You gonna go up and turn around, or you want to go back and turn around?
We might want to back out and turn around.
Yeah, we're gonna back up. There's another hole just past this one to the water.
Do you want to back this out? Do you want me to?
Yeah, just be safe. Have you back out? There's a turnaround spot a couple 100 yards that way, where we turned around the Tacoma when we were here yesterday. I can go stand at it if you guys want me to, so you know where it is.
Yeah, that's no problem.
Dad?
Yeah, that worked perfectly. It just came right up along the side of that log.
Yeah, worked pretty good.
Yeah.
I should have put it in 4-wheel drive before I started.
Oh, that's why you paused?
That's why I paused. I was like, I need to put it in 4.
There was a spot back there I had to put it for. No, was slipping over.
Do you feel comfortable backing out yours, or do you want me to back yours?
No, I'm back
We can guide and do them one at a time.
Okay,